I was a little girl, you brought a fight to my world. I've been shy, I've been silent for too long. You bring me the sunlight. You bring me the sunlight.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'll be showing you our room. We've been staying here for over a month now. Guys, I decided to show you the room because I just finished cleaning. So let's get inside. Ta-da! Welcome to her room. So over here is the toilet and the shower room. There's a toilet and there's the laundry basket which has our dirty clothes. And that is the sink. And here is the shower room. And I like it because it has the rain shower. So across the toilet and shower room is the cabinet. I'll just show you the robe there. Over here is the water heater and some teas. I also have my peanut butter, my vitamins, and this one from Thailand. I also have raisins. And here is a small fridge. And there's ℎ𝕕𝕒𝕝𝕝𝕠 and Sprite. So, mura na siya. And here is my section wherein I put all my makeup, my toiletries, the mirror, and that is the shoe cabinet. That's my shoes and hubby shoes. And the rest are inside our luggage. And so, these are our luggages. And that is the bed. Flicker man, it's flickering. Anyway, that's the bed. I'll show you So I have here my moisturizer and my ointment because I get hives in the morning. And there's a clock that's 3 o'clock p.m. Yes, it's 3 o'clock p.m. here. There's a tissue. I'm not sure. That's a TV over there. And this is our working area. So, diba bongga? And that's the bed again. And there is a very beautiful blue chair. So, mauna na siya. This is the room. I like it because it's so bright. So they have English movies here, but apparently you'll have to pay for it. It's 6 RMB per movie. So this is a room. Nice. So that's it for the tour. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.